Guys, in this video I'm doing something that I don't think anyone's done yet. I'm taking this limited edition 1920s snap-on special sprint car replica and I'm putting a VXL system in it and I'm sending it. Right, quick stock speed run. 28, wow. We got VXL power. Oh, spicy. Powered by Fanboy Tears. I reckon it's got 50 in it, you know. If we can keep that nose down. Let's go. Full throttle. Oh, I wish the sand scorcher went that easy. Let's go the wind a little bit behind us as well on the way back. Oh, nice. Oh, 43, that's not bad on sand. That would be over 50 on road. Power! You can just slide it and it just gets traction and goes. Absolutely made for this sand.